Alright guys, I am back. Whoa! I recognize that emblem, Chevrolet. Oh, the big Silverado. Yes. Trade in, guys. 4x4. And y'all know me. I want to know why someone would trade their nice Silverado 4x4 pickup truck in. I don't know what they working with on here. I don't see no writings on the hood, so so they copied Dodge plenum cover. It looks like a Hemi from a mile away. Look at that 0W20. Y'all see what kind of oil is recommended? Yes. I wonder why. Okay. What kind of engine technology going on that will require one to burn 0W20. That's the engine we put in. I mean, that's the oil we put in our 2.4 liter multi-air engine on some of the Jeeps. So this looks like a V6. Or is that a V8? I only see 3 injectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a V8, guys. I see 4 injector connectors right here. This is a V8 0W20. Although some of our 392s, the Hemi take 0W40. And y'all understand what the zero, the first digit of the y'all understand what the zero is for, right? Well, what the zero designates. But I'm curious to why Chevrolet would require such a grade of oil in this V8 engine. I don't know. I don't even know why they traded in. But it's a nice truck, guys. But it still ain't got nothing on that. Yes, that is the big dog right there. I would take that over this any day of the week. Y'all remember last week I had the comparison with that Ford F-150 Platinum? And I forgot to go back and look and read. I read most of the comments, but I should have did a poll. See, a lot of people dogged this out. I would never buy such and such and such and such. And a lot of people bragged on the Ford F-150. This is a Silverado right here. But so I guess I'll do the same poll. But see, this was not in a position. I need it on the ground and pretend to be for sale. Okay, so I'll wait before I do that poll. But what the hell? What do y'all think, man? Would y'all take this Ram 1500 Hemi with a 5.7 Hemi? This is a V8. This is V8. Okay. This one typically gonna take probably 5W20. And oil weight, recommended oil weight shouldn't have a bearing on your decision. Okay. Now, like I said before, they're both V8s. So what do y'all think? Well, I guess what you can grade it on is they both extended cabs, right? Yes. Okay. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's just getting simple brakes. This is a used car inspection. That one haven't started the inspection yet, so I'm gonna wait till he jack it up and pull wheels and do all the good look. But I will say, as far as looks, so if you want to go by looks, that looks a whole lot nicer. But that could be unfair because I don't know what year this is. There's nothing written on the wall, but we'll find out tomorrow, guys. But for now, y'all weigh y'all Dodge Ram 1500 Silverado. I tell you an advantage this one have over this one. This is a 4x4. So it may be an advantage to some people to get a truck equipped with 4x4 than it would be to get one without 4x4. All right, at least I want to say it's without 4. I see a transfer case. Guys, y'all know what that means? There goes that advantage. This is 4-wheel drive. And on top of that, it's equipped with an 8-speed ZF transmission or ZF version. So I'm really going to have to go with this now. I thought this one had a bigger advantage, but lo and behold, see, Dodge should have put this. Y'all see how they got 4x4 on here? There's nothing on the side of this that would indicate such. If this wasn't in the air, I never would have looked under here to witness that it had a transfer case. Transfer case typically indicates that a truck is a 4x4. You need a transfer case to transfer torque to the front wheels also, if it's a rear wheel drive unit. So there is no advantage. So now we back to square one, guys. Looks, I still say this looks better than this, but I don't want to offend the Chevrolet guys, okay? But I'm a Dodge guy, sorry. I have to go with the Dodge. But that's that. But I would still like to hear you guys' opinion, all right? So put them in the comments below, guys. All right? And that's all I have, guys. Let's go back to the other side. All right, guys, let's go back here. I saw some trim. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, check out the new tubes, guys. It's a snap-on, right? So anybody want to take a wild guess what this costs? Just a 3-piece trim pry bar stick set. Anybody take a wild guess what they cost? This guy obviously don't care how much you spend on tubes. A lot of us are careful than others. But look, I want to, whoa, what he got going on here, guys? Now, I'm pretty good at guessing, so if I had to guesstimate what he was doing, I probably would say chasing some type of short or something, but you got the center console slightly removed and you got the seat out. So what could you possibly be looking for? There's a seat right there. I don't know. And this is not an old car, guys. It's a fairly new car. So could very well be. Well, y'all see how the seat bolt down, right? Some of the older models, you got to get it from underneath. Is they hiding the battery right here, guys? Let's take a look. What y'all think? Drum roll, please. It is. Ta-da! Yes. Hey, stop start battery and the battery, guys. Y'all see that? That is where they hiding it at now. Well, I think on the Jeep Grand Cherokee it's always been under the seat. This very well could be a 2018. Yeah, because it has the 3.6 Pentastar Generation 3 engine in it. So you got the regular battery and the stop-start battery right here, guys. And notice they got the line plugged in here so they can vent any of those gases back out. You don't want these gas vapor or fumes or whatever inside the engine compartment. So this is used to vent out all that stuff. But okay, let me put that back. That's where they hide the battery and the stop-start battery. But back to the matter at hand. What is he doing? Why do you have the seat out? And the console. I don't know. Chasing some type of short. I guess I'll dig in his ear tomorrow. Because like I say, guys, yes, this is the Pentastar Gen 3. Yeah, y'all see that EGR set up. Fairly new car. Why is this bolt? That's loose, ain't it? Yeah. I don't know. I ain't gonna touch nothing. Did I just touch that? Get my fingerprints off that. All right, guys. Let's go. I still want to know what this costs. I mean, always buying something crazy. You could easily. I ain't trying to knock business from Snap-on, but I guarantee you this set at Harbor Freight. Well, I ain't gonna go there. I'm going this way, guys. Let's go.